Stop saying, I want to see doctor, or you'll sound like a toddler.
Wait, what? That's what I always say when I'm sick.
It's way too blunt and honestly, a bit rude. You're scaring the receptionist.
Oh no. I had no idea. What should I say instead?
Stick around, because today we're fixing your medical English before your next checkup.
I definitely need this. I usually just point to my throat and cough on the phone.
Lesson 1, use the phrase, I'd like to schedule an appointment. It's the gold standard.
I'd like to schedule. Sounds so much more professional.
Exactly. Or try, I need to book a consultation with Dr. Smith.
Consultation? Isn't that just for lawyers and fancy business people?
Nope. Doctors use it too. It makes you sound educated and clear.
Got it. I'd like to schedule an appointment. What's the next step?
Don't just say, I am sick. That's way too vague for a medical professional.
But I am sick. My head hurts and I can't stop sneezing.
Use specific phrases like, I've been feeling under the weather, or, I have a persistent cough.
Persistent means it won't go away, right?
Precisely. It helps the nurse know how urgent your situation is.
So, I've been experiencing some sharp pains in my stomach, is better?
Perfect. That's 10 times better than saying, my tummy hurts.
Okay, I'm ready to book. But what if they say they don't have any space today?
That's lesson 3, the secret phrase for getting in early.
Tell me. I hate waiting 3 weeks just for a basic checkup.
Ask, do you have any openings, or is there any way you can fit me in today?
Fit me in, like a puzzle piece?
Exactly. It implies you're flexible and really need the help.
Can I ask, do you have any cancellations today?
That is a pro move. You're sounding like a native speaker already.
Let's try a full conversation. I'll be the patient this time.
Okay, I'm the receptionist. Ring ring, Health First Clinic, how can I help you?
Hi, good morning. I'd like to schedule an appointment with Dr. Smith, please.
Of course. What seems to be the problem today?
Well, I've been feeling under the weather lately and I have a persistent headache.
I'm sorry to hear that. Our next available slot is next Thursday at 10 a.m.
Oh, that's a bit far out. Do you have any openings sooner, or perhaps a cancellation?
Let me check, actually, someone just moved their slot. I can fit you in tomorrow at 2 p.m.
That works perfectly. I'll take it. Thank you so much.
Great. We'll see you then. Don't forget your insurance card.
Wow, that was so much smoother than my usual awkward phone calls.
See? Using the right vocabulary changes the whole vibe of the conversation.
I feel much more confident now. I might actually call the dentist too.
Now it's your turn. How would you tell a doctor you have a sore throat using our new words?
Pause the video right now and write your answer in the comments.
Okay, quick recap. 1. Say, schedule an appointment. 2. Use specific words like, under the weather.
And 3. Ask to be fit in or check for openings and cancellations.
Spot on. You're ready to handle any clinic or hospital call.
I'm subscribing right now for more tips like this. I don't want to sound like a toddler anymore.
Wise choice. Subscribe for daily English tips. New video every single day.